Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Square point of sales how to add surcharges. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a surcharge in Square point of sale such as credit card fee, you will need to manually create a surcharge item or use Surcharges service. Surcharges is feature available in Square for restaurants and other versions. To do it, simply head over and open up your Square POS app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, simply select items, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is select service charge from the options and then simply enter the details like name, card processing fee, or choosing the percentage or fixed amount, example 3% surcharge. Then what you need to do is choose when to apply, manually add it at checkout as well, and automatically apply to all sales, which is optional. Once you're done, simply tap on the save on the top right corner of the screen, and that's basically how you can do it. During checkout, you can now tap add service charge and select it and have it apply automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.